Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your device supports live photos and that iOS is up to date. Once done, pick or create a live photo. Use a converter app if you only have a video. Next, open Settings, tap Wallpaper, and choose Add New Wallpaper. This jumps straight into selection without extra setup. Make sure your live photo is saved in Photos. If it isn't, import or save it now so it appears in the wallpaper picker. You then select the live photo from the picker. Choose Photos Live Photos to find it quickly. Once selected, make sure Live Photo is active. Tap the live indicator if it's off. Adjust the crop and position with pinch and drag, and decide whether to enable perspective zoom for parallax. Keep it off if you want a static feel on home screen. To confirm, press and hold the lock screen preview to see the motion. Make adjustments until the animation looks natural. You finish by tapping Set and selecting Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. Note that live photos animate only on the lock screen. After applying, lock your iPhone and press or long press the lock screen to check the motion. If it doesn't animate, make sure low power mode is off and reduce motion is disabled in accessibility, because both can stop animations. If problems persist, reopen the wallpaper, reselect the live photo, and reapply to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.